Hello everyone, I'm Pranay from Energy Bay. So welcome to Green Gospel again, and we are back at one of the most scenic villas. This is a cloud villa located in Bor, and this is located above a mountain. So as always, this beauty comes with a cost. There is no government rate here. Okay, so few of the places here have government rate above in this mountain area, but there is a problem of power cut here, especially in monsoon. Okay, so the other alternative is a diesel genset, which usually costs them 30 rupees per unit. So the economic option left is a solar installation. So we installed a 3 kilowatt system here initially. Then this resort was in building phase. But the problem here is in monsoon, the production drops. Because you can see this is a pre-monsoon phase and it has been pretty cloudy here and it's just 5 p.m. right now. Okay, so one of the problem here is low production in monsoon. So we suggested a wind turbine because the wind speed here is very good. But due to the cost of wind turbine, they thought they should go for more solar energy because they were going to increase the capacity here. So we installed more 3 kilowatt solar system. So here now there is total 6 kilowatt system on a 3 floor shed. Okay. So again, one of the interesting thing of this site is the client wanted to disturb the scenery. So here it's a 360-degree scenery, sunrise, sunset, and apart from that, this beautiful river. So the requirement was very clear that the scenery should not be disturbed. So it couldn't be a ground-mounted system. So the only option we had was have about this three-story building, and this shed is a east and west facing. That means the south is missing here, and there is a production drop due to the missing that direction. But here we had to consider the client's primary requirement of not risking service landscape. So that's why we got the solar panels here, and the speed is very high, so we are extra careful with the structure design here. And also working here is quite risky, as you can see the bridge. They just put a lot of drag and you here. Also, this is a beautiful 6 kilowatt system, but down the line, when the monsoon comes, they again suffer the problem of problem of less generation of solar. So we got a wind turbine here that I have covered in earlier episodes. So yeah, that's a 1 kilowatt watt. Okay, yeah, and we will cover that. So with this system, 6 kilowatt solar and 1 kilowatt vertical axis wind turbine, we have also given them 16 batteries and a 7.5 kV inverter. So we'll also cover that. Yeah, so have a look at this side. So So here guys you can have look at the internal structure. Here we have those extra enforcement because of the vent. So we will just now walk down to the battery room and welcome to the battery room. So here we total have 16 batteries of 200 Ah and this is a whole UTL system. So 8 series iron batteries and another 8 series iron batteries. They are both connected in parallel. And we have a 7.5 kg UTL off-grid inverter. And here we have provided a ventilation and it's a nice and cozy battery room. We earlier at the site we have seen that there was no room, so we had created a cage. So that also can be done, but here we have a room. So we can have final look at the wind turbine. So it's yeah. So guys, one of the important thing in a total off-grid side is installing a DC bus bar. So here we have given the DC bus bar. You can have a look at it. All the batteries, all the batteries are connected to DC bus bar to streamline the flow. Okay, and you can have to look at here the switches. So here we will have a look at the wind turbine setup. So this is a controller unit which refines the ripple current of wind turbine, and here it is a display unit where we can monitor the unit production. So this wind turbine directly goes to the DC bus bar where batteries are connected, and this wind turbine directly charges the battery. Okay, after controller, direct battery is connected.
So now we will have a look at the wind turbine outside.